Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve a data science case study. First, thoroughly understand the problem by asking clarifying questions. Define the business objective and identify key stakeholders. Pinpoint the specific questions you need to answer and the desired outcome. This initial step is crucial for setting a clear direction and ensuring your solution aligns with expectations, preventing wasted effort later on. Next, dive into your data. Conduct exploratory data analysis to understand its structure, distributions, and relationships. Clean and preprocess the data, addressing missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. Feature engineering is vital to create variables that enhance model performance. Finally, split your dataset appropriately for robust model evaluation. Now, it's time to build your models. Choose algorithms that best suit your problem type and data characteristics. Train initial models and then meticulously tune their hyperparameters to maximize performance. Use cross-validation techniques to ensure your model generalizes well to unseen data. Continuously iterate and refine your approach based on evaluation results. Finally, effectively communicate your solution. Structure your presentation to clearly convey the problem, your approach, key findings, and actionable recommendations. Translate complex technical details into understandable business language. Emphasize the value and impact of your solution, while also acknowledging any limitations and suggesting future work. A compelling narrative is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.